This is going to be the first wide-body V8 Defender in Malaysia.
Yes, it's gonna be the widest one.
Hello guys, welcome to Titan Autohaus. We are an aftermarket performance company that offers a wide range of aftermarket parts. So we have body kits, Urban, we have Luma, we have any type of dry carbon body kits that you name off, we have it. And we also have wheels, performance wheels, Veleno Wheels, Rotiform Wheels, and Veleno Exhaust. So what do we have here today, Zane?
Okay, today we have this Land Rover Defender. This is a 5.0 V8, and this car has actually gone through a few mods with us. First one is it has a set of Veleno Performance Wheels. It also has a fitted Veleno Performance full titanium catback exhaust system. And today it came back to us for a set of body kit. What body kit is this?
It's actually a Luma inspired wide body kit. It's a very aggressive wide arch body kit compared to the Urban style. So we do have the Urban body kit as well, but the customer doesn't want the OEM Plus style. He wants a more aggressive, a more wide body. For the Defender, Luma is the most famous. So this is actually a Luma inspired kit. So as you can see here, the difference between this and the Urban is the wide arches. It's much more aggressive. The Urban maybe is around 5 mm wide arches compared to the Lumas. The Luma is around 30 mm. You can see the difference after the installation. Alright, then let's do a quick rundown on what the customer has already done with us.
Okay, so from the outlook, this customer has already put on a roof light. On the body parts, it's pretty stock, so that's why it's here today to get a new body kit change. Okay, so for the rims here, 23-inch by 10.5 JJ with a plus 30 offset.
So right now the customer is actually on a polished chrome finish. So the customer actually wants a blacked out mafia look. That's why we will repaint the wheels to black in color. And we'll probably change the color of the caliper as well. Now let's look at the interior. So the interior is pretty stock, as you can see, but we do have full body interior conversion as well. Starlight roof. I'll make sure to convince the customer to mod that next.
This car has already got a spoiler in the back, so it makes the car look much more aggressive, especially with full titanium Veleno catback exhaust. Yeah, with the stock look, I don't think it's gonna match.
Compared to the stock Defender, without the diffuser, it looks so different. It looks like a botak car. So with just a slight mod, you can change the entire look of your car. So I definitely do recommend spoiler if you are not looking for a full body mod.
Oh my god, look at that!
So sick!
Yes man, look at that! Woo!
Okay. Oh my god, check this out. This is going to be the first wide-body V8 Defender in Malaysia.
Yes, it's gonna be the widest one you'll ever see in Malaysia.
That's correct.
Okay, Cedric, can you go through one by one what have we done to this car?
So the first thing, the biggest difference, I believe, is this wide arches. It's super wide compared to the stock arches.
How many mm extra is this?
I think this is easily 30 mm extra. We use 30 mm spacers on the original wheels.
Oh, so it's the same set of wheels?
Yes, correct. Because the owner used these wheels less than a year. So yeah, we just used back the previous wheels that he ordered.
Yes, I remember it used to be chrome finishing. Now it's all blacked out.
So we actually blacked out the entire rims and we blacked out chrome lining for the wheel caps. And we actually also spray paint the calipers. It was originally blue in color.
Oh,
so now it's bright orange.
Come, let's move to the front. What is Luma CLR LD?
CLR LD is actually the name of the body kit, the name of the Luma body kit. So this is actually a Luma inspired body kit.
And why is it so funny? Just this orange. Any reason?
So we basically just customize the color. For Luma, actually this LD comes in red, but you wrap it in bright orange to match the calipers. You tell me what other difference can you see compared to the car when it first came?
The hood looks a bit bigger.
it looks like an added nose to the car. The hood is one of the biggest difference. The other thing is actually the grille. I personally like the grille better. More boxy look compared to the stock.
I think you guys changed the entire bumper, right?
Correct. Yeah, we added the bumper to give it a more aggressive. So if you look it from the front, it actually looks like a square box. It's super aggressive with the added touch on the hood.
Come, let's move to the side. What have we done on the sides here?
Okay, I think the biggest difference you can tell from the side is the side skirts. This is a totally new added on side skirts.
Yeah, it does looks bigger. But is it gonna block the side steps?
No, not at all. So once you if you open the car, the side step is still usable.
Oh yeah, okay.
We can remove the side steps to make it look more aesthetic, but yeah, I think the owner wants it to remain it so that children can still hop on to the car safely. This car is actually entirely wrapped after we installed the body kit. Look at this, orange again. Yeah, to match the calipers, the LD logo, and now a slight touch on the side skirts.
Okay, so Cedric, anything done on the top?
Top-wise, the owner already had the spoiler fitted, so there's not much difference for this specific car. But the other thing you can notice is this rear lights. Because stock is actually red in color, smoked it out, and yeah, it looks stealthier.
So did you change anything here? The diffuser?
Yes, we actually changed the entire diffuser. Look, it's more bulkier compared to the previous stock, and it matches the front. It gives it a more like it's a Defender on steroids. Okay, so that's it for today's video. That's it for this series. It's actually our first video. So stay tuned for more exciting contents.
So make sure you like, share and subscribe. And if you've seen us on the street, take a photo and tag us.
Okay guys, so if you have any inquiries for any type of modification, do contact us at the number down below.
See you in next video.